Dyani. You want a scratch? She wants a scratch. Look at her telling me to go away. But what's this? I'll show you if she... Good girl. You gonna sniff my hand? She sniffed it earlier. Hey? These two are really grooming each other, and I'll just edge my way around to Ava a bit. She's moved. Here, I want to take a picture of you. I can't if you keep coming up to me. You're as cute as you are. Hi. Oh, telling me to go away. You're telling me to go away. I'm giving Ruby a really good scratch. They're all as round as berries. I'll show everyone what they look like. I know, I'm sorry, darling. I'm bothering you. It's true. Here comes Dyani for another pat. Tell her to go away. Now, we've got this girl here, and these two, she's likely to tell Ruby to get lost. Ava and Ruby, look at these two. You're good friends, aren't you? Gonna keep you two together? Yeah. You gonna run away? No. She's getting there. She's rubbing her face on Ruby's bum. It's nice. Carlet's telling them to get lost. The season's so good for them. Coats are shiny and plenty of feed for these small horses. Penny's eating. Oh, it looks like she's finished. She's rummaging around in the car. It's very windy today, like excruciatingly windy, and it's just kind of right where we're standing. The leaves here are still, but if you look around here, I don't know if you can see, you can hear it anyway. So, but there's, and then it started up here. Yep. So it's like, but it affects the horse's behaviour. This is my girl. I've put some calcium sups in the water, so they're like a milky colour. We're moving next week. Yay! Come on, Penny. They were all under here today when I arrived. Penny, come on. Come through. Come on, darling. Good girl. Come through. Come on. Oh, I'm going to have to grab her. Hang on. Come here, sweetie. You want to have a graze out here by yourself? Dyani's following her. Penny, come back. She'll come back. She'll just pick at that grass that doesn't get grazed. And then she'll come back. She's a bit underweight, but I'll get weight on her when I move and she's living with me. I can't, it's been a hard few months. Just being so far away, it's not worked well. Hi, girls. I've got Dyani on my right. Hi. Yep, See, I've patted her a couple of times, but I know, because she'll come up behind her with the butt. See, she's telling her, move, 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 move. Don't stay near the human. See her pushing her on. And she's been getting them all away from me. My point about the wind, getting back to the wind, is it makes them more nervous because, not a gust of wind, because they can't hear predators. So it makes them more nervous and edgy, and then it's harder to get her to relax with me. I should stop stalking her like a predator, that will help. Hey, but this girl here, she's my smoochy girl. She's got to stay with Ava, don't you, darling? Have you got an itchy face? She's had lots of... Oh, that's a good girl, hey? She had a tick in her mane and had lots of cuddles. And oh, she's so good. So good. Hey? Hey? She's a good girl. Hey? You like that, don't you? Itchy? Itchy? You got like some... Your furs looks a bit funny, hey? I'm a good girl. A good girl. She's a good girl. I might just stop videoing and just give her a 2-arm pat, and I'll get Penny back in, go and feed the others.